Okay. I don't think I'm gonna trade at all today. Simply because we ain't got no type of news today. It's all yellow folder news. So this is crazy work. I mean, this range looks kind of good for buys here, but it's a nice little soup, equal highs. But then again, it's no news. Dang, why am they're all stuck in ranges? So it's most likely gonna accumulate, manipulate on Tuesday, and then start expanding on Wednesday. Or not, sorry, it's gonna keep accumulating on Monday and Tuesday, and then it's gonna start doing something on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday it's gonna definitely expand somewhere. So yeah. I mean, the ranges isn't that bad either right now, but yeah, we have sell side right here. I don't know if it's gonna want to come all the way down to this low because it's like 50 points away. But whew, I'm tired, bruh. All right, 15 minutes. I was watching Matt's live stream for a few minutes. I don't know if cause I don't have a bias right now. I mean, this does look bearish to this wick, to this low, this wick right here, but yeah, it looks pretty bearish. But I mean, I'm not really seeing any good sell opportunities. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. It took the high, came back, inverted this fair value gap. I mean, that would have been alright. But look what it's doing. It's just accumulating, bruh. Yeah, this order block should hold. Unless think so. Dude, you can add text to the Fibonacci now. Isn't that shit crazy? I was really looking at GU. Oh, this actually looks kind of nice. Nice enough to take a trade in? I don't think so, but I mean, cause this isn't a premium right now. Like, I think if it would have left this high open, I would have taken this buy. Like, if this didn't go higher than this, I'd have probably, you know what I'm saying? But now, if you reach for the daily high over here, that would kind of be reaching because, you know, it's a no news Monday. Not much going on here. Oh. Alright, well, YN did its thing, I guess. Yeah, that was unexpected, but it makes sense. This is a breaker block right here. Dude, yeah, I don't know if I would have had my stop that big. Like, probably would have had it like right here. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, high day looks nice. As of right now, it's still respecting. Took out these equal lows, which is internal liquidity. We have some liquidity up here. We're about to have some SMT if Nas takes it slow. Yeah, this is just engineering some sell side, bro. Brother. this can't be trusted right now. I ain't taking no type of trades. Yeah, I don't know about this, but what are you on about, blood? Very interesting. This would be a nice buy right here at this inversion. I know it's in a deep premium, but I mean, these highs are like right there. I'm gonna paper trade this. If it comes down to 859, it's like 10 points away. I don't think it will, but with like a 20-point stop loss. Yeah, gracias. Well, that's that. And yeah, everything is moving in different directions right now. NAS moving sideways, ES going up, and YM is rocketing. So I'm good. It's really hard to tell what NAS is trying to do right now. And those type of days you don't want to be trading. So I'm gonna close the chart here. And live stream is over because I ain't about to force no trades. I ain't about to I ain't trying to, do something stupid like, oh, it took out the low. Let me try and buy, and then this low gets rated. Um, and it can do that, but just look at the way it's moving right now. I don't like it. Macro didn't do anything for um, NQ. Or maybe it did. Let me see. No, it didn't. I mean, there's no fucking trade here at all. Only trade would have been like this for rally gap here, and it got disrespected. So that's that. And the reason it's struggling to go lower is because of this high resistance liquidity run that happened at the open. Let's see. I don't know. Okay, it's not leaving that high. Be a nice reprice to here, but you never know. This thing could just dump and leave that high open. It's very unlikely, but it can happen. I've seen it happen. Yeah, it's tapped into it for value gap. Now it's expanding. Alright, if Nas leaves like a nicer rally gap, I'll take it long simply because ES is giving the signals, but look at all this liquidity down here. Maybe it wants us to believe that. Maybe it wants us to wait for that liquidity to get taken, but it never will. I feel like that'd be a dumb thing to do. Like, I feel like once it takes this high out, maybe it's just gonna drop. Because right now it just looks like search and destroy. See all these wicks? Like, the fuck? I said I'd close it, but let's just see. Because, I mean, this liquidity up here does look good. Like, it, don't tell me it doesn't. So, maybe if it displaces nicely, we can get a nice trade to the upside to about 1939. That's another thing, though. It's only like 40 points. This range is actually pretty small. Yeah, I don't want to be involved in this shit. Look at that. YM is gonna blast there because it failed to go below the order block and tap any imbalance, so it's gonna use this as support. And boom, boom, boom. Yeah, Nas is on some different shit. Yes, didn't take the high yet. Dude, this is just moving in different directions right now. I mean, what the fuck? This is the accumulation I'm talking about. Like, I'm not even gonna open my broker right now, but this is the accumulation I'm talking about. It's better to save your bullets until the distribution type of days. Fuck the accumulation type of days. You want to trade this, not this shit. You want to trade this shit. Yeah, this is a beautiful stuff. I used to think news was bad, but news, if you're trading ICT, it's news is the shit. Wow, look at that. Would have been stopped on GU here. If this was Nas, This high would look good. This is a turtle soup right here, and it's in discount. But you know, you know. All right, let's see. Maybe this fair value gap wants to get tapped. But real shit, my bias on GU is bearish for the week. We got this daily fair value gap. We got some equal lows, and then it's gonna be bullish. Let's look at all these highs over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 highs. Once we grab liquidity down here, we're bound to see higher prices, I think. Let's look at the dollar. Okay, the dollar is blasting. The dollar is just blasting. Um, so we should see lower prices on GU and EU and lower prices on NAS. But yeah, it's not gonna happen today. Today's a Monday with no news. Look at this shit, man. Like, yeah, you could have gotten a trade here, but nah, bruh. I ain't trade ES like that. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Bro, what the fuck? Yeah, YM did that. That's pretty nice. Took the high out. Didn't get a trade, but yeah, I mean, I looked at this at YM, and it did take the low over here, but it didn't take this low, which I was concerned about. And it ended up rallying, hit the breaker block right here, and then took its high. Naz is just absolutely disgusting right now. This shit is so sorry. This is the last chance I'm giving it to continue rallying. If it comes back down, I'm fucking off the charts. I'm not dealing with this shit. It's not even a macro, bro. Like, why are you moving? To be fair, it's only been like 20 points. I love how I say it's only been like 20 points. Well, that's true. Like, Nas moves a lot more than this. A lot. And I fucking mean a lot. Yeah, if I'm gonna do anything, I'm gonna paper trade this. Because I don't feel like putting my money at risk on a no news Monday. You know what I'm saying? And I think that's the smartest choice I can make. Even though I do think this is going higher. But just look at all this liquidity down here, you know what I'm saying? It's like, I don't think it's worth it. And there's so much, ES is way more like reactive than NAS right now. Alright, going 4 contracts right there. Risk about 150 bucks. Go for 1 or 2. Yeah, it's a paper trade. I ain't putting my money on this shit. Hell no. Do you think I'm in Vegas or something? Hell no. I mean, realistically, it do look good. But look at today. Like, okay, hit OT. It was struggling a little bit. But, you know, kind of made it. Alright, now it's just gonna immediately rebalance that shit, and it's not gonna come back to my entry. Damn. YM shorts plausible? Yes or no? There's a BPR right here. So I don't know. But I can't take it anymore. Get more depressed when I'm on tour. Wake up in the middle of. Alright, we got tagged into this shit. I don't trust this at all, but I'm gonna still give it a go. It is a paper trade, so you know. I'm gonna just let this rock type shit. This could continue lower, honestly, because it took this high out. And know that it's not a market structure shift in my eyes. This looks like a straight up turtle soup. This is the shit I'm talking about. What the fuck is this, bro? Thank God I didn't take this shit on my live. YM looks kind of nice for some shorts, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Cause we got yesterday's low, or last week's low right there. And it really looks like this is a turtle soup. These are relatively equal lows. I know this turtle soup did, but I don't know. I think I might take this, honestly. I'm gonna just go in like one micro contract on this inversion right here. Wait. Oh, I don't know. It does look kind of good. I'm not even gonna front. Oh, isn't that crazy? YM contract took the low, but the micros contract didn't.
¿Cómo apago esto?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna take this. I know I opened my broker, but shit, this ain't really looking too good. How am I still in this Nash trade? Yeah, I don't know. PM might for PM it might just take the lows and then go higher, but yeah, this is ass. And then YM, both my paper trades are about to lose. I think I lost on Nas already, pretty much. And this shit's about to hit my stop. I understand why I lost, cause like this is a bullish for value gap or whatever, and then but my thing was it took the high. We had some equal lows down here, so you know. But let's look at the OTE on this thing, cause this is like another strategy. It's called candle filter. Dude, I think I might get in. Might get in short here. I'm going with the minimal risk possible, which is one contract. I don't know, just to test the
Order
waters.
filled. Order filled.
I'm a retard. That's the regular YM contract. I just lost like $20. But that's fine.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm going two contracts.
Order filled.
Alright. This entry is like based off of a strategy called candle filter. So basically, this is a 15-minute candle, right? It took liquidity and it closed below. If you take the fib and you take it from the high of the candle to the low, it tapped OTE pretty much to the tick, and it respected it pretty well. So, you know, I just want to see some. I want to see if it starts respecting order flow. If not, I'll just get out. But this is looking pretty good. Let's see if it inverts this. Technically, my stop is above this right now. Yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, I don't have to target the whole low, but I can definitely target like at least 50% of the range here, which would be like a 1 or 2. So I think I'd be happy with that if YM wants to continue dropping here. think what I'm gonna do is dude, I'm just in so little risk that I don't even want to leave a runner, but I think I'm gonna leave it to the 50% level. There's order block right here as well. Alright, took the low. I think I'm gonna get out here. Technically, that's a market structure shift for real, but I want to see if it can get to the 50% level. Doesn't look like it wants to. My stop is above this cap, this candle right here. If it goes above there, if it inverts this gap, I don't want to be in that no more. It most likely will invert it, but I want to see if you can get to the 50% level first. Alright. Alright, tap the 5-minute.
Order filled.
So, or Bissy. That was fucking quick. That was like really fucking quick. It should really drop here now. But damn, that was really good. I honestly I did not expect that. That's why I went so low risk. But that was really good regardless. But yeah, I didn't expect to trade today. So that was unexpected. I just couldn't pass off this nice candle filter opportunity. This is where I learned it from. This guy, he's in a Discord. This guy right here, ICT traded 2023. He's insanely good. He's in a Discord that I'm a part of, and I learned it from him. So shout out to him, and he learned it from another guy. So you see, candle filter trading strategy. This is what I'm referring to. If you want to go watch that. But yeah, shout out to this guy. This is my guy. Shout out trading dude. You know who you are. So, but yeah, it's gonna be in the stream. A little quick recap. We took these highs. And based off of this strategy, right? 15-minute took turtle soups the highs, closes below, comes back to OTE, as you can see right here, 0.79. Boom, taps it to the tick, and the rest is history. So yeah. But yeah, I'll see you in Wednesday stream because I'm definitely not trading. Tuesday, no news. Fuck that shit. I'm gonna be on Wednesday. So yeah, peace. Oh yeah, let me show my P&L real quick. I didn't realize I was on micro contract. Okay, I didn't even make money today. Cause I took a stupid loss on YM. Jesus Christ, dude, I paid $9 in commissions. That is retarded. Um, Here, let me see. All right. So this is today's P&L. That losing trade, it wasn't a losing trade. I just I went on the wrong contract. I traded the mini instead of the micro because I'm a retard like that. But yeah, and then they profited around $54 on that trade, and then fees and commission comes out to about $10, and then total P&L will be $25. So basically, no money was made today, because of that stupid YM loss. But it is what it is. All right, I'll be here on Wednesday.